All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 25. Like I said, we are going to go over activity 5.4, calculating properties of solids. I know it caused some of us some issues, and I know I received some emails. If you were one of them and I didn't respond, not because I was ignoring you. I just knew we were going to go over them, and if you tried and submitted something, you're going to be fine. Just keep that in mind. I do want to go over the answers so that you can see where maybe you went wrong or where maybe you didn't think to go a little further. So we will go over those, but we're going to go over those on Thursday and Friday. But for this week, what we're going to start with is we're going to go back into Onshape and we're going to do some more 3D modeling. We paused on it for now. We paused on it 2 weeks ago, but I want to get back into it because in Onshape you can get the whatever part you're modeling. You can get the density, you can get some information on that part, and I think that's going to be useful to us. But we were working on taking things apart. Now we're going to start putting things back together. So the first thing you're going to see in Schoology is the 5.5 Additive and Subtractive Modeling PowerPoint. I think a lot of you struggle when it comes to 3D modeling just due to the fact that you're not sure how to build something. And my best way to put this is either you're adding to it or you're subtracting from it. And this PowerPoint goes over that. So it talks about additive modeling and subtractive modeling. So additive is just that. You put things together, you add parts to it, you add pieces to it. Subtractive is the opposite. You start with the large shape, the overall dimensions, and then you start subtracting pieces from it. And then you obviously can do both. You can combine the methods and do additive and also subtractive. So I want you to take a couple notes on that and submit the notes for that. That way you're refreshing your memory on how to 3D model. Then we are going to be getting into an activity that we are not going to finish this week. I just don't see it. I only gave us 2 parts. I may give us a third depending on how quickly we get them done. They're very simple. You are going to go into Onshape and you are going to create one document. And you're going to label it, you can label it 5.5 train activity. I think that's what 5.5 model train project. This model train has, let me zoom out a little bit. Zoom. This train has a bunch, it has actually 9 different parts. You need one Onshape file, and you will create 9 separate parts in that one Onshape file. This week, I only have us doing 2 of those parts. Like I said, I might have a third, but if you click on that part, you'll have the worksheet and then also the dimensions. I only give you 2 and I don't give you all of the dimensions because I don't want you to get overwhelmed. This is the stack and it gives you, what you have to do for that. And then you've got, I think it's like a washer. It's a very simple hitch magnet. I didn't even give you the body yet. Look, oh, this shouldn't be in here. You're just doing the top one. I'll edit that. You're just doing the top one and it's literally a circle with the circle inside cut out. That one will take you no time. Now, that's not the only thing you're doing. If I zoom in, you are drawing that, but we also need to go back and we need to talk about dimensioning and border and title blocks. You're going to create a border and title block and put your part in the border and title block and dimension it for submission. Okay? So the drawing itself won't take you long. Putting it in the border and title block won't take you long, and dimensioning it won't take you long, but doing all 3 of those things for each part will take a little bit of time. That's why I only gave you 2 for now. So we're going to be working on putting all these pieces together, and I'm going to go over again multiple times that I want it done in Onshape in one file. That's what we're working on for today, and like I said, Thursday I'll go over those answers. Otherwise, if you have any questions, obviously feel free to shoot me a Schoology message and just get started. All right, thanks everybody.